Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mililani Mauka, local and long-distance movers near me. Moves across the country or worldwide are a specialty of our moving company's professionals. For your convenience, they also offer packing services. Many of our clients have moved across the country with us throughout the years. For your protection, we are licensed and insured long-distance and interstate movers. A team of our movers will be on time and prepared to pack your household or workplace belongings. Residential and business relocations are handled by 3 Movers, a full-service moving company that offers a variety of great services. Your belongings will be transported from your house or office to another by our team of experienced movers. Furniture is meticulously wrapped in protected materials and secured during transit by 3 Movers, a company with vast experience in the field. We are committed to making your move as easy and stress-free as possible for your family and you. While transporting your things, our local movers provide all the essential packing supplies. As well as helping you load and unload the truck or van, the professional movers can also take care of transporting your things to their final destination. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mililani Mauka moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.